guys, my name is Daud. I'm a freelancer on different freelancing platforms. Before I discovered Isaacadeyemi's book, I was struggling a lot as a freelancer to land high-paying clients, to get into a skills in which I can render to my clients. I was just jumping from one place to another, from one gigs to another gigs, trending gigs. You understand? I was struggling a lot. I couldn't focus on a skills in which I can render. But when I read Isaac Adeyemi's book, I was surprised a lot because he he explained a lot of things, a lot of secrets in which majority of the freelancers don't know. For example, how to land high-paying clients, different type of skills in which you can render as a freelancer, how to get different clients from different freelancing, from different social media. So I will recommend you guys, if you really want to be successful as a freelancer, get Isaac Adeyemi's book right now, and I promise you that you won't regret it. Thank you.